Imagine a world where farming isn't just hard labour under the sun, but a high-tech operation driven by artificial intelligence. From robots planting seeds to algorithms predicting weather patterns, AI is revolutionising the way we grow our food. And it's happening right now. With climate change, a growing global population and shrinking farmland, traditional methods just aren't enough. The future of agriculture is smart, efficient and sustainable, and it's powered by AI. So how exactly is AI feeding the future? Let's start with precision agriculture. This is where AI really shines. Imagine being able to monitor every inch of your field in real time, knowing exactly how much water, fertilizer or sunlight each plant needs. AI-driven systems are helping farmers analyze data from sensors, satellites and drones to optimize crop growth. Instead of guessing, farmers now have detailed insights allowing them to save water, reduce chemicals and boost yields. And it doesn't stop there. Autonomous machinery is changing the game. Self-driving tractors, AI-powered drones and even robotic harvesters are taking over the heavy lifting, literally. These machines, guided by AI, can work around the clock without human intervention. They plant, water and harvest with extreme precision, reducing labour costs and increasing efficiency. The best part? AI doesn't just do the work, it learns from it. As these machines gather more data, they get better at farming, continually improving operations over time. But what about detecting problems before they even happen? That's where crop monitoring and disease detection come in. With AI-powered drones and satellite imagery, farmers can monitor their crops 24/7. These systems can spot early signs of pests, diseases or nutrient deficiencies long before they're visible to the naked eye. Next up, predictive analytics. AI doesn't just help with real-time monitoring, it also helps farmers plan for the future. By analysing weather patterns, soil conditions, and even market trends, AI can predict the best time to plant crops, the most profitable crops to grow, and even the likely impact of future weather events. This gives farmers the power to plan ahead and make smarter decisions, reducing risks and maximising profits. But it's not just about efficiency, AI is making farming more sustainable. With the ability to precisely manage resources like water and fertiliser, AI is helping farmers reduce waste and minimise their environmental impact. As the world faces climate change and resource scarcity, sustainable farming is no longer optional, it's essential. AI is giving us the tools to grow more food with fewer resources, ensuring we can feed a growing population without depleting the planet. Of course, with any new technology, there are challenges. Not every farmer has access to AI-powered tools, and there are concerns about data privacy and ownership. But as AI continues to evolve, it's clear that it holds the key to solving some of the biggest challenges facing global agriculture. So what does the future look like? A world where farms are smarter, more efficient, and more sustainable. If you're as excited as we are about how AI is changing the future, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insights into AI and technology. And if you're curious about AI's power beyond the farm, check out our AI chatbot for a first-hand experience of how AI is transforming industries, one conversation at a time.